AI doesn't have an off date or an off time. There's going to come a time here in the near future where every single BDR role, sales role is going to be impacted by a AI sales agent. AI is coming for your business, and here's how to prepare. So you might be wondering, okay, how is that going to impact my business? I hear all this stuff from the news about how AI is making an impact in certain areas. And, most business owners that we work with here at Wealth Factor are also unaware of how much of an impact AI is going to have. And there's three main ways that's going to affect every business. First, it's going to be operational. Think of all the people that you now as a business owner have to control, oversee, and things of that nature that are working in more operational roles. I'm talking about front desk, easy admin roles, call center roles where you need individuals to be there, work a certain hours, and there's a limited number of resources that you can actually get from those individuals. That's going to be replaced very quickly. And most business owners don't understand that that's going to be an option for them here in the near future and how to leverage that correctly for their business. Second, is how are we going to actually target the right clients? So marketing, right? That's how we all, get business and get clients at this point. And I'm sure you as a business owner understand what that's like. You have to really figure out how to market to the right niche. You have to spend time, working through different options from a marketing perspective, different platforms, different methods of, acquiring customers. AI is going to change all of that. It's going to be able to quantify and look at the best marketplaces and the best spots that you should be putting your ad spend in order to grow your business at a substantial rate. And also, it's also going to give you the ability to track trends on when you need to move from one method, let's say it's Facebook ads, to the next method. Or maybe it's moving to a different platform like Instagram, and then understanding the volume on each platform that you should be applying for an ad spend perspective. AI is going to change all that and give you leverage if you understand how to utilize it for the business. And lastly is sales. Right now, there's a lot of disruption happening in the sales process where, you're still stuck trading time for dollars when it comes to having people on your team that can have those conversations. There's a limited number of mental capacity that they have day to day to actually have great quality conversations with your potential leads. AI doesn't have an off date or an off time. There's going to come a time here in the near future where every single BDR role, sales role is going to be impacted by a AI sales agent that can do that job 24/7 at a lower cost and at an extremely more efficient rate. Imagine you're a business owner and you can leverage all three of these things for your business in order to scale without all the variability of the overhead, having to worry about these people, how to make sure things are running smoothly in the day-to-day operations. And if you can leverage this correctly, there's nothing stopping you moving forward. So to recap, there's three main ways this is going to affect every business. First is operationally, day-to-day, who's working in those roles. Secondly, your sales floor, how much you can sell, the capacity of your sales team, and how many people you can actually reach on a day-to-day basis. And last is marketing, creating the right efforts to put you in the right space to actually expand your business at a rapid rate versus falling behind those who have access to all these vehicles. And now that you'll be able to leverage these things better going forward. And if you want to learn more about how to do that or even leverage how you have things in your business right now, just click the link below. You can work with our team and we'll show you how to move the needle and stay ahead of this curve and grow your business to that next level.
Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe. Don't miss out on a single Wealth Factory tip like this next one with proven ways to build your wealth.